They say the kitchen is the heart of the home. For me, it's where the best conversations happen. I hope you feel at home here too. You know, we were looking at so many different places, but this kitchen is what really made it feel like home. About 2 years ago, I had a week where I cooked twice. You know, this new feature is going to make everything so much easier. I'm really excited for you to try it out. Welcome back. I've got a great tip to share about keeping your countertops looking brand new. I have this counter space, and you know, it tends to get a little bit messy over here, so this is what we're working with. The reason I chose this home is not just for the space, but for the community.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you why. I'm just so happy with how clean this kitchen turned out. Seriously, it's never looked better. The kitchen is all clean. Now I can just relax. The kitchen layout is designed for convenience. Here we have the prep zone, then the coffee zone, and finally the landing zone. It's all right here for you. I've been meaning to show you this new coffee maker. It's so easy to use. All right, let's get this going. There we go, fresh coffee, just what I need to start the day. This is the heart of the home, where everything is fresh and ready. We have dedicated zones for everything here. Prep on the left and landing on the right. It makes cooking so much more efficient. We wanted a seamless look, so we made sure that every counter sits at the exact same height. We can choose a high option or a low option. Simplicity in the details. This is what we have left. We need to buy more pasta. One hand high and one hand low, showing height contrast. Then dropping both hands. Counter has the knife block tall. You'll find everything you need right here, and this beautiful kitchen is definitely one of the highlights of this home. I love this acacia wood bowl right here. See how perfectly it fits with everything else on the counter? I couldn't believe the size of the space. It's truly impressive. This kitchen is a reflection of the hard work and love we've poured into our home. You can see here that the cord is fully coiled, It's in good condition and ready to use. First, you can use adhesive clips under the counter. Second, consider a braided cable sleeve. And third, wall-mounted racks are an excellent option. Right, time to tackle this messy coffee maker cord with a simple Velcro tie. Gather the cord, wrap it up, easy. Now look at that, neat and tidy. Doesn't that look better? I finally organized the kitchen. No more messy cords, just clean counter space. Simple and done. We love these different textures: the wooden board, the ceramic bowl, and our brass coffee maker. This is my favorite cutting board. And this bowl? Perfect for my cereal. Coffee maker's new. Love this marble. All right, so we've got option A here. Next, there's option B, which is a bit different. And then finally, option C completes the picture. Yep, this is the one. Perfect. This space between the items on the counter, it's intentional. It's designed to be used, open and inviting. You know, finding a home that feels right is more than just specs. It's that feeling, like walking in and knowing you're home. You see? The counter space here is ample. 1, 2, 3 distinct zones for everything. It's perfect. And that was it, really. It was a smooth process, much easier than I thought. I'm really happy with how it turned out.